In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove price history from Zillow 2026 guide. If you're preparing to sell or simply want more control over your online presence, understanding what you can change on Zillow and what you can't is essential. Zillow pulls most price history from public records, but there are still meaningful actions you can take to correct errors and present your home accurately. First, sign into your Zillow account and claim your property. Head to Zillow.com, log in, then search for your home's address. On the property page, select Claim this home and follow the verification prompts. Claiming gives you the administrative access needed to manage details on your home's page. Make sure you're claiming the correct address and unit, especially if your area uses similar street names or multiple parcels. Next, open your account dashboard and navigate to the My Listings or Manage Items section. Find the property card for the home you want to work on and open it. This puts you right where you can make edits that affect how your home appears to the public. From here, select Edit Listing or Manage Listing. In the editor, you can update home facts. Things like bedrooms, bathrooms, square footage, and features to ensure what buyers see is accurate today. If you previously entered pricing information yourself, you'll typically find those manual entries in the pricing area of the editor. You can modify or delete those specific items so they no longer appear. Keep in mind, though, that past sale prices pulled from public records are often permanent on Zillow if they're accurate. Your edits affect what you added, not verified historical records. If you spot a price history entry that's factually wrong, report it directly from the property page. Click the More button and choose Report Problem with Listing. Select the option related to incorrect price history and provide a clear, concise explanation of what's inaccurate. Zillow's team will review it against third-party county data, and if it's an error, remove or correct the entry. Being specific helps the review move faster. Before you finish, give the full page a careful review. Confirm photos, description, and home facts reflect the most current and correct information. Then click Save or Update to publish your changes. Updates may take up to 24 hours to appear publicly. After that window, check your home's page from a fresh browser or private window to see what buyers will see. And that's it. By claiming your home, cleaning up manual entries, and reporting any inaccuracies, you'll keep your property's digital footprint accurate and professional. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.